Are you looking into getting a dehumidifier for your crawl space, but you're unsure if you even need a dehumidifier in your crawl space? In this video, we'll discuss whether or not you need a dehumidifier in your crawl space at all. Hi, my name is Nolan. I'm the sales director here at Acculevel. You may have recently got a home inspection or got advice from someone else that had talked about maybe that you need a dehumidifier in your crawl space, but you're unsure what a dehumidifier even does and why you would need it. So in this video, we're going to go tackle those two questions. So when we're talking about dehumidifiers in the crawl space, these are massively important for conditioning your crawl space as well as lengthening the lifespan of your subfloor and your structure. So the main job of a dehumidifier is very simple: to suck up the moisture in the air and then fill that air back with drier air. And so what this does is, in a crawl space, you're always going to have some level of moisture coming in through your walls, whether those are block, brick, or poured walls, and through the dirt below. And so many homes have vapor barriers, have encapsulation. You're still fighting some of that moisture, let alone the condensation that will occur between your water lines and things like that are very different temperatures than your crawl space temperature. And so having that dehumidifier regulates that air, that humidity level, and that can help prevent mold and mildew growth in that crawl space. It will also help prevent wood rot, sagging floors, and even buckling of your subfloors. And so using a dehumidifier in your crawl space can tackle those longer lasting preventative things. The other thing it does is a home works like a chimney. And so a lot of the air that you're breathing in your main levels and your upstairs, it comes from the bottom, and that comes from your crawl space. And so with tremendous amount of moistures, those things can trigger allergies. It can trigger an extra sneeze. And so not only does it help the healthiness of your subfloor, of your foundation, that kind of thing, but it'll also help the air that you're breathing in and condition that air so it's much healthier for you. There's also some cases where maybe your home doesn't need. Now, this is very rare, but what this may look like is if there's already some kind of air condensate system in there. This may actually be part of your HVAC. This is something that's very popular that's actually put in your HVAC that's already regulating that air. If that's the case, I obviously wouldn't recommend just doubling that up. But like I said, that's a very rare circumstances. It's still where it's worth having it looked at. Hey, do you already have that? And having those humidity levels just checked in your crawl space, in your home, and letting that dictate whether you need that dehumidifier or not. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped teach you whether you need a dehumidifier or not, and what dehumidifiers do. For more information, please click on our website below, and be sure to like and subscribe this video.